Females face alarming safety concerns today, with incidents of rape, murder, sexual abuse, sexual harassment becoming all too frequent. Now it's very crucial that our world must step up to be their protector. It emphasizes the responsibility of a society to ensure the safety, dignity, and empowerment of women. In our modern world, it is essential for everyone, individuals, communities, governments, and institutions, to actively support and defend women's rights. This involves creating a safe environment free from violence, discrimination, and inequality, where women can thrive and can live with the freedom and respect they deserve. We call ourselves educated and refer to ourselves as mard, yet we fail to honor women. What kind of education is this? What kind of masculinity is it that cannot show respect to women and cannot protect them? I encourage you to reflect deeply on this pressing issue. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's engage in a meaningful discussion that could drive change. Thank you sincerely for your time and presence. Your participation is deeply valued and truly appreciated. Take care and bye-bye.